everyone, hello and welcome to the Gallivanting Soul. And as you can see, I'm surrounded by lots of toys, but they are not any toys. These are wooden toys. And today I'm in the beautiful city and the town of Channapatna. So let's go looking at some beautiful toys. I've come to Bharat Art and Crafts, and this is the factory that they show you how to make the toys. They even give you a tour which you can pay at a nominal fee of 100 rupees for the tour, and then there's an additional fee of 350 to make a toy. So I'm going to now go inside. I'll give you all a tour of the place and also take a tour myself and see how they make the toys and even get to experience what it's like to make a toy. So come on, let's go in and see how they make the famous Channapatna toys. So this is the ivory wood that is
लोकली वुड है. चन्नापटना टॉय वालों को ये गॉड गिफ्ट है.
ओके.
ये लोकली वुड है, इधर ही मिल जाता है. 40 से 50 किलोमीटर से मिलता है.
Okay. So you can see all the wood over here. Now they buy it in wholesale and it takes apparently 4 months for it to dry. And right now it is heavy, but after 4 months the weight gets reduced by 70%, and that's what makes this wood absolutely ideal for the toys because they are very lightweight.
बीच वुड है.
Beech wood.
हाँ, ये फाइन वुड है.
Fine wood. Okay. So these are the other two which come to them.
है ना, वहीं पे एक ट्री में गम निकालता है.
Okay.
उसको राउंड बिले जैसा क्रिएट करके इंग्लिश में लैक करके बोलते हैं, कन्नड़ में अरक करके बोलते हैं.
Okay.
इसको.
So यही वो natural.
ये natural है.
Okay. So this is the natural lacquer that is used for polishing all these toys. That's what makes it eco-friendly. No toxic chemicals, no toxic colors, just natural. Okay, now that I've just finished seeing what the wood is like, I'm going inside to the factory to see how it is being made. Now, and a very important tip is carry a mask with you because the dust that is so much from the wood, because of the shaving. So it's highly recommended to wear a mask. I mean, for your own safety, and it's better, obviously. So yeah, I came prepared with a mask. So now I'm going in to have a tour of the factory and see how it's being made.
कलरिंग अप्लाई कर.
Okay. Right now it is still a bit rough. Now they'll give the finishing, which is with the leaf.
One coconut oil, one drop.
Okay. Coconut oil. Oh wow, it's so smooth. The different lacquer colors. The yellow is with turmeric and the red has kumkum in it. Now you can see the difference. This is already done with the leaf. This is without the leaf. Now he's going to use the leaf. ब्लैक के लिए क्या यूज होता है?
क्या?
ब्लैक कलर के लिए
काजल कंटक.
काजल. ओके ओके. Made in less than 10 minutes in front of me.
स्टैंडिंग सेक्शन दिख रहे हैं.
हाँ, ये पीछे का. हाँ. that's the doll which I just made, which you saw me making, of course with a lot of assistance from the artisan, but totally worth it. So this is my little memento to take back home. So now I am heading towards their shop, which is somewhere in the market, which is about 2 kilometers from the Arts and Crafts Park where their factory is currently. So yeah, I'm going to go and see if I can find something more to buy, because this is purely the factory. And I'm going to leave the address and all the details in the description box. So yeah, if you plan to visit, you can come and experience something like this and also make your own toy. So I've come to this place called Navneet, which is barely a kilometer away from the Arts and Crafts, the Bharat Arts and Crafts factory. And I got myself a lovely veg thali, something which I haven't eaten actually over here in a very long time. So yeah, let me quickly show you what all has come in this thali. Munchie, some little fries here, and there's pickle, curd, sweet. We have some sprout vegetable, rasam, sambar. There's curd rice, there's a vegetable, puris and rice. And this whole thali costs just 80 rupees. So I am at the Bharat Arts and Crafts, the small store that they have here, which is a little away from their factory. So they have a mixture of natural dyes and lacquer toys, as well as other non-toxic colors. Something small like this for a keychain costs 50 rupees. Now, from here you can also include a visit to the Sula Vineyards, which is on the way only when you're coming into Channapatna from Bangalore. But I decided to skip it because I've been to Sula so many times. I mean, the one at Nasik, which is obviously close to Mumbai. But that's another thing you can add to your visit when you're, visiting Channapatna. You can combine and do a trip to Sula Vineyards as well. So I have come to the Jai Shri Navneet Toy Emporium, which is on the old highway, and they have a massive collection here. I am actually spoiled for choice over here. I can't even decide what to buy, and I don't have any small kids at home, but right now I think I feel like the biggest child around, because I literally want to buy so many things, but I have to control my urge and not buy, too much of stuff. Okay, so these tops are for 55 rupees, and this is another type of top. See. Yeah. So these are all the lacquer ones, so you can see the finishing is really nice. The cooking sets, this small one is for, how much is this for?
375.
Okay, this one is 375.
850.
This is 850.
This one 1200.
This one is 1200. So yeah, nice eco-friendly wooden sets for the little girls. These are rattles for children. So even if they put it in their mouth, the babies, it's absolutely safe, because as I said, the colors, they're all eco-friendly. So yeah, absolutely natural. How many pieces are in it?
5 pieces.
Okay.
1 piece, 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Oh, look at this Chotu, the last doll. So small. These are sticks for honey. to use for your honey. And check out these little mini eggs. I actually already have quite a few of these. The wooden eggs. Gosh, it's been a long time since I played this. They also have a lot of other wooden household items. So, yep, huge collection. And lots of showpieces. 3,000 rupees, 10 pieces. And this is teak wood. This is 9,000 rupees for 10 pieces. It's so gorgeous. So look at these bangles. These are all lacquer bangles. Wooden with a lacquer coating. And here are some more bangles. These are all plain ones. It's so pretty. So I drove down from Bangalore and took a car and came. But you can also, just take a bus or a train and come down to Channapatna and use an auto to get about. Now because I am flying back to Mumbai tomorrow early morning, I didn't want to waste too much time. So this is the lovely dancing lady. So the small ones are for 250 and the big ones are for 550. This smaller one is for 150. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video and enjoyed a glimpse into this lovely toy town, which now of course has a GI tag. And the only way that, this lovely art can sustain is by people like us who come here and buy and support the artisans and, keep this art alive, because it really is a dying art. I mean, what I got to know at the factory is that till about few years ago, there were more than 5,000 artisans. Today, that number is down to barely 1,000 artisans. So, yeah, I mean, if you're ever passing by this side or on your way to Mysore, definitely at least try and make a halt at the town and get something, buy something as a memento and, keep it as a souvenir for yourself. My lovely day in the lovely town of Channapatna has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed that video, and it's now time for me to head back towards Bangalore. But it's been absolutely fun and I'm glad I made the trip here finally after putting it off for so long. Anyway, this is Merlin the Gallivanting Soul signing off from the lovely town of Channapatna in one of the lovely toy stores and following the story of Karnataka's very own toy town. This is Merlin signing off. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.